Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we are going to learn a worship song, God Alone. I'm going to be playing in the key of G sharp. All right. Now I'm going to do some explanation of the progression and then the chords that I'm going to be using. When we finish, I'll play a section of the song, uh, a truncated sections of the song. After that, you should be able to play the full song by listening to it. All right. So the beginning, we're going to be playing this chord. All right, this is your chord one in the key of G sharp. All right, now after playing this chord, we're going to be playing something here. Your this your chord notes and this your note, they are the same. So we play this, and then so it's 1, 2, 3. We played note 1, note 2, note 3, but we'll be playing the octaves. All right. So the same notes you could play it. All right. So after the same chord one, after playing this notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, your fourth notes. All right. So when we're playing the chord, which is 1, 2, 3, 5, when we want to add the 4 to it, we remove the 2 and then add the 3. It gives it a flavor, right? Okay. Now from there, we're going to be playing our fifth chord. If this is your 1, you slide to this. Your 7, 2, 5 should give you your fifth chord. Now you can also play this here to get this. You can add the F to it, and on your left you play this. Now this is your fifth chord. This is how you play it. But if you are playing it as a 7th chord, you still maintain this one and then you play 7 here. So this is your 1, this is your 7. But in this one, you remove the F and then you play like this. So from chord 1, you move to 7 and then 6. So this is how you play your chord 6. All right. Then there's a part where you play your chord 4. This chord 4. Now this note can be played here. So if you see me playing this way, still chord 4. And then 1. All right. So let's play the section of the song and then follow along.